In this video, we are going to fix error connection refuse in Google Chrome here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. Now, the first solution that you can do is that you can clear your browser cache and cookies. So some corrupted and outdated data in your browser can cause connection problems. So proceed to your Google Chrome. Please make a right click. Then from here, please click on open so that you can proceed. So once you have opened the Chrome browser, I want you to proceed here at the top right corner. You can see there is three dots. Click on it and scroll down and select for settings. Here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane, find for privacy and security, and select for delete browsing data under privacy and security section. So make sure all of these are checked and click on delete data. Wait for some time until this would be done. Once you're done, check if the error has been fixed. But if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is to disable your browser extensions. So disabling them temporarily can help you identify what caused the issue. So proceed to the left pane again and proceed to extensions. So from that, please select all of your extensions and try to disable them. You can click on remove or you can simply turn on the switch. In this way, you can identify again what's the problem because sometimes extension could be interfering with the connection. So try disabling them one by one to find the culprit. Okay? Once you have identified the extensions, once you have disabled them, just have to try to check if the error has been resolved. Yet if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is to check your proxy and VPN settings. So it is very important that you have disabled them. So by that, please close this window, navigate here at the start, make a right click, then scroll up and select for settings. Here at the settings, please proceed to the left side of that, find for network and internet, and from here, please proceed to VPN. And then from that, you can find here, sorry, let me just go back again. So from here, you can see VPN. So by that, you just have to disable any VPN connections that's being stated here. Okay, so disable them. Once you have disabled that, okay, you need to proceed to network and internet again. And this time you need to go with the proxy. So any proxy setup must be disabled here again. So disable any proxy setup. Once done, close this window and check if the error has been resolved. Okay? So the last solution that you can do is that you can reinstall your browser. So if none of the above works, the browser installation itself may be corrupted. So try installing it again. Okay? So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you would be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.